DSA members, are you hiring subcontractors as part of your business model? Have you ever wondered if you had a claim or a lawsuit from one of your clients or another third party, would you be covered? Now imagine an insurance carrier and risk manager specifically made for interior designers. That is what we have created here, called DSAinsure, powered by Pennex and Villanova Insurance Partners. DSA members looking for the very best in risk management and insurance services, look no further than your own specialty built program, DSAinsure.
Interior designers face many challenges during the course of their business career. Aside from the everyday challenges that any business will meet, like prospecting clients, meeting budgets, finding good help, etc., interior designers will need to manage their risk. Risk is the potential for financial loss to your business via an injury or damage to your property, or a lawsuit due to your professional error or negligence. There are many ways to manage risk before it becomes a claim or a lawsuit. We at DSAinsure start by averting risk. One of the ways we do that is through arming our clients with proper service contracts and subcontractor agreements. Using the benefit of my 20 years of litigating insurance claims, I have devised contracts that help insureds avoid getting into a claim or lawsuit. Any business performing a service should have a professional service agreement completed and signed before starting work for your client. Interior designers, with the various and unique work they perform, are especially open to the potential for claims arising out of their completed work. Our specifically tailored service contract for DSA members contemplates the key components for laying out the scope of work to be performed, what work won't be performed, the cost of the work to be completed, start and end dates, and much, much more. The agreement should also have the proper defenses that are afforded to you as the contractor per your state guidelines. Essentially, we take all the guessing out of this for you. Also, as an interior designer, you may be bringing other contractors to the job for which you are responsible. In these scenarios, you need to be armed with knowledge of how this relationship works from an insurance and claims perspective. Moreover, you need to have the proper legal agreement between you and anyone you bring onto the job. This is done with our specially tailored interior designer subcontractor agreement. Without this document, or the indemnity it affords, you could be open to claims arising from businesses and their employees that you bring to the job. Lastly, we provide a pre-claims assistance hotline directly to my team of lawyers, adjusters, and risk managers should you feel a claim is on the horizon. We can help you navigate the important early steps of the claim process. And the best news of all, the same team selling you the insurance is part of the same team settling claims. We are in this with you and have a unique stake in the process as we are paying the DSA members' claims on your behalf.
Interior designers provide professional services. Designers need a business owner's and professional liability policy. Our business owner's policy covers you for your property and for bodily injury to a third party as a result of something you did while performing your job or your negligence. If you are sued, not because of bodily injury, but because of failure in your professional capacity, general liability policies won't cover you. Professional liability, for the most part, covers financial loss to a third party. If you give bad advice and recommend a floor that's easily damaged, your general liability policy won't cover resulting legal costs if you are sued by the homeowner. Designers could be sued for projects that go over budget, advice that doesn't work out, mistakes in measuring that add additional costs, and failing to complete a project on time or on budget. Professional liability insurance pays for legal defense costs and any judgments or settlements arising out of lawsuits from professional misconduct, errors, and omissions. Because there's the potential for any designer to make mistakes, essentially all decorators and interior designers need this type of coverage. Our program's insurance policies contemplate all of these things and more.
One of the unique aspects of our company is our claims management system for worry-free reporting. DSA members need not worry about being penalized for reporting an issue that is easily resolved. DSA members should report every incident. If your matter is not in litigation status and we do not have to pay money on your behalf to defend you or pay indemnity to a third party, it will not be construed as a claim in our underwriting process. Many insureds worry that if they report something simple or that appears baseless, it will result in a claim under the policy, triggering increased premiums and questions about insurability. Unfortunately, this often results in insureds failing to ever report the incident and then, when it becomes a claim, not having coverage due to a failure to report as required by the policy. Our worry-free reporting protects you from failing to report an incident that years later becomes a lawsuit. Moreover, disclosing incidents will not result in our company charging higher premiums or jeopardizing your ability to purchase insurance from us. This process and total disclosure is a benefit to our insureds because although it's not a claim, we still provide claims management assistance.
Interior design may seem like a low-hazard class of business, but as with any profession, there are perils and pitfalls that can cost you money and assets. It is important to discuss with an insurance professional your business and devise a plan to defer risk through a solid insurance program. A DSAinsure program specialist can discuss with you your business goals and outline the best and most affordable plan to keep your business and personal assets safe. At DSAinsure, we will do the very best to bundle coverages together with our specialized programs to get you the most competitive pricing and comprehensive coverage. Please visit our website and ask a professional about our risk management programs.